700 meters, go round the roundabout, 4th exit.
Gold 104.3. There goes your nighttime bonus, sweetheart!
Flights that go from JFK to Santo Domingo, but they're not non-stop anymore. Now they stop along the way.
Whoa,
there was a memorial there.
Because a lot of them... What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Dude! He just ran a red light. Holy...
Belmont speech permits available here. That's what I need to go on the beach.
Go on, start it up. Oh, look, there's another piece.
There's another one there too. I don't know what the fuck's going on. They told him to go. Oh, they want him. Fuck, that was scary. Now that copper wants him. Fuck, they're after him.
Captured a snapshot of an ongoing process. The urban legend continued to evolve.
It's just not my taste.
Oh, hell no. Because see, now, instantly my mind goes, this is going to put me in some haunted ass house.
That's the thing.
None of it.
That's the thing. Is your nicely in line with AM5, which I think has DDR5 on AM5?
Peninsula, since the picturesque Montauk Lighthouse, commissioned by George Washington in 1792.
Why are you slowing down?
Travel a mile into the forest, you'll find an eerie, decommissioned military base. It looms a rusted relic from the Cold War. It's a person-to-person.
I don't think it's really a thing in Canada.
Yeah, because we have
pretty sure it's
transfer.
It's also effective.
And they contacted the manager of that location to report the employees who were doing things that they shouldn't have been. It's like, and it wasn't like strange businesses that you could see. It's like they could see that there was a McDonald's and like a KFC next to it. It's like, okay, we're in the United States. Is there a Domino's, a McDonald's, and a KFC all within that close of a range? And it's like, just narrowed it down through some.
I mean, there are people who are very good at
what in the fuck?
Geography in general, like the people who are really good at GeoGuessr, where it just plops you down and
process into a business, into an LLC. So now it is Randonauts LLC. And then
his book, Montauk, The Alien Connection, Swerdlow laid out his own traumatic story.
In the early 1970s,
what the fuck?
The Montauk Project began. The young Swerdlow began experiencing strange
organization, or they call it the organization, has access to it, or that they have control over this realm, and that on September 5th,
fuck yourself! You donkey!
You're fucking kidding me! Dude, really? Dude, seriously, really?
If you wear a flip flop, it's better. Without any scratch. No one realizes.
Fuck's sake, mate. Jesus Christ, that was close.
Fucking idiot.
Red. That was red, mate. Fucking dickhead. That's not a boy, fucking dickhead. You are a fucking dickhead. Wow.
Kennedy expected this. Why? Because we are a nation of laws, and we can't have a federal employee running around other countries killing people. Really? Kennedy thought to herself.
Whoa! He's fucking dumb cunt. An idiot. Hey, no, you're in the wrong way, lad. No, go over there. No, well. Fucking idiot.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my god, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week!
Start recording emergency video.
Whoa!
Where is it? Oh, shit.
Where is it? Oh, yeah, everyone's moving to the side. Apart from this old fart. Old fart, move!
Old fart's got no idea.
Oh my god!
Old fart's got no idea. Old fart's got no idea. Oh, shit. Jesus.
Shit, see her out.
I'd left a 50 pack of, can you believe it, we're not allowed to say brands on the radio. Brands of cigarettes are illegal.
But why is it always old biddies that buy the 50 pack?
It was a 50 pack, it was old duck and bull, and she left it there, probably a pension money. You know what, you shouldn't be wasting that money on
What the fuck are you doing? Fuck me dead. I've lost cause.
This line, I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring.
Yeah.
Well, it turns out she does clean because Offset posted a video of her sweeping the bathroom
Just put your blinker on and come in, dickhead.
You stop lying on your phone, man.